Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2012 Porsche Panamera. So from any screen here, you've got Navi here and Map there. If we just click on Map, you'll see it there. If you click on Navi, if it's the first time that you're going to use it, you will be asked to just confirm that you're not going to be distracted. But there you go, you've got Enter Address. If I just enter address there, it's touch screen. So click on Enter Address, you've got town and postcode. That's what we want, town and postcode. And then we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road. No, we're not. We've moved. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Howalton, Preston, P, R. Now we want the numbers. So you've got A, B, and C, and 1, 2, 3 here. So we click onto 1, 2, 3. So it's PR 5, 4, and then we go back to numbers. Sorry, we go back to letters. E, A. That's it, PR54E8. So even though we've just selected it, we've got to click on it again to make sure it's got selected, and then calculate routes. We're sat on the forecourt, so there we go. So it's showing you the quickest three routes basically. You can select either of them and click Start Route Guidance.
Please make a U-turn if possible.
So that's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.